Yo guys, this is Mike with Mets RC, and today we're gonna unbox this SCX24. Nah, that's not gonna work. Hey guys, this is Mike with Mets RC. I was just playing around on that last one. This will be my very first crawler and my very first unboxing. I do have other RCs to unbox, so yeah, I guess let's get to it. So this crawler's been out for a little while now, but I guess like a couple months is what I believe. But you know, I've been looking at getting something entry level before I go and spend the $500 or $600 on a real crawler. Let's see. Of course, Vector's over there wanting to get in on the action. Let's put this away. Let's see what else we got in the box. Ooh, that doesn't want to come out of there. There we go. Alright, let's put that away. Alright, looks like we got our standard little USB charger. The little 30C 2-cell LiPo that comes with it. I've heard really good things about this this cheap receiver here, just from the videos I have watched. Alright, let's see. It already comes... I'm sorry, that's a transmitter. I can't believe I just called that a receiver. Looks like we got some extra parts, some extra linkages, an extra drive shaft. There's an extra body pin. And that's really nice because I lose these all the time. Now see, I have tons of them over here, but let's see here. This will be it next to the Losi Mini T. This was one of the last ones that I've bought recently. It's actually a pretty fun little car. It's dirty right now. I took it out in the mud this last time. But let's see what we got here. Really liking this hinge system. It's a little bit smaller than I expected it to be, to tell you the truth. And kind of wish I had oil-filled shocks. I might have to look up online and see if I can find some that would fit this. Let's see here. I hear you, Vector. Alright, let's see. Oh, that hole is so tiny, it's so hard to get that pin in there. You guys haven't noticed yet, I'm not very much of a talker, but I'm trying. I'm really trying with this YouTube thing. Let's see what we got. Turn the transmitter on first. Where's the on button? There's the on button. Oh, I really like those LEDs. Look at that. I like it. It's a nice little truck. Let's see what we got here. Looks quick. See what Vector thinks about it. Oh, climbing up on the vector. Look at there. Alright guys, I guess that's all I got for now. We'll get this thing charged up and see if we can put out a couple of small videos tomorrow. Thanks for watching.